Hello, I'm Apul, conducting lectures in different institutes and merging with several web projects. Bootstrap is a very popular language, and same as it's a framework for front-end developers. The main purpose of this course is discussing and practicing of responsive web designing, and how can we make mobile first web designing, and finally we can have a very professional, powerful looking website using Bootstrap. This program is divided into 6 components and discuss about background of the Bootstrap, the responsive and how to install it, and the grid system and the components. Finally, edit Bootstrap template. To participate this program, you should have a basic knowledge of HTML, CSS, JavaScript is really enough. This program is for web designers, those who want to learn about mobile friendly website, and O-level and A-level students also can participate, and professional people in the industry also can get the knowledge, and especially for freelancers also can be participate for this course and get some prior knowledge. This program duration is 3 hours. Within 3 hours we will complete all the theory and practical areas. After completing this course, you can directly join for a backend development program or backend framework programs. Thank you very much for watching the video. Hope everyone will join this course. Thank you.